Hi guys, thanks for clicking on the video. Christmas is just around the corner, so I decided to treat myself to an early Christmas present. Something I've had my eye on for a while, and it's one of these, the Litelok X1. This is supposed to be the best D-lock you can buy. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube, people attacking this with various implements to try and break it. There's one guy who used an angle grinder and he got through 3 discs before he actually got through the D shackle, and that was a mains powered angle grinder as well. It wasn't the sort of battery ones that, you know, some of the wee scroats run around the cities with trying to cut your locks off. It's diamond rated, Sole Secure diamond rated, which is quite impressive. And I just thought, well, you know, this is going to do me for years. It'll do me whatever bike I have, even if I go onto push bikes or something, or e-bikes or something like that. It's always something I'll have. And I thought, well, it's an investment. This was $149.99. It's quite expensive, but it's pretty good. It's, you know, it's solid. It's about as good as you're going to get, I think. Anyway, it arrived today. Let's open the box and see what you get. So, we open the box and we have a basic sort of welcome letter. Also what is it, QR code you can scan, which will allow you to register the locks. It gives you instructions, although quite what you need instructions for I don't know, but it tells you how you got the keys, that sort of thing. So we have that, bit of tissue paper, envelope inside which has 2 keys. They look fairly substantial. There's a code number on it, so you can obviously register these excuse me, and get other keys if should you need them. And in here we have the Litelok. Nice sort of padded bag, whether we'll ever use that again is another matter. And there you have it, one Litelok. It feels quite substantial. It's a little heavier than I imagined, but I mean, that's not a problem on a scooter, obviously. Whether you want it on a push bike, well, be touch and go, but I mean, it's a fair weight, but it's okay. It's got a sort of sealed opening here for the key to go in to keep the water out. Let's just try a key. I haven't actually tried this yet. So put that in, open, nice and easy. And there's your Litelok. So, I'm going to find which wheel to put this on, either the front or the back. Boronium, which apparently is the magic component that makes this very, very strong indeed. So there we go. A little Christmas present to myself. Hopefully will just keep my bike, whatever bike I happen to have, a little bit safer. So there you go guys, just a quick unboxing of the Litelok X1. If you go into the website, there's X1 Moto and there's just plain X1. There's no difference between them apparently. It's just to, you know, highlight it's available to and useful for motorcycle riders as well as, you know, people on e-bikes and that sort of thing. Anyway, Litelok X1 looks pretty good to me. We're going to give it a try, well, hopefully I'll not have a problem with it. I think the deterrent value alone should be pretty good. I mean, any you know, little horror coming along with these battery-powered angle grinders, probably going to take one look at that and move on to something a little bit easier. I think that's half the battle with these things, frankly. It's the deterrent factor rather than the actual attacking it. Anyway, that's it. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching all my videos this year. I'm sorry they've been a bit thin on the ground recently, but it's literally just weather and work in Scotland. I mean, the weather does not encourage you to go out on long runs or make scootering videos, but once the spring comes, we'll hopefully get back into the stride of things again. Anyway, thanks as always, guys, as I say, for watching. A very Merry Christmas, or whatever you believe. Enjoy yourself and have a good time. Thanks very much. Cheers now. Bye.